Hello, my name is Susan, and I'm your teacher here at Booked Up English. Let's learn a red word. Red words are special because we stop to think about them. You will need a notebook and a pencil. Make flashcards to practice. Use a red marker or pencil to help your brain learn these words. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's special red word is should. Listen. Should. Say it. Should. Spell it. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Let's write it. S H O U L D. Should. S H O U L D. Should. Thanks for learning today. Review all the red words using the link in the comments. See you soon.